Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 4 inch pool set and pool surface skimmer. With the Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista, you have everything you need for an above-ground pool in your backyard. The pool itself is designed so that you don't have to use any tools to set it up, keeping the process as simple as possible. The included Bestway Pool Surface Skimmer is the best way to clear debris from your above-ground pool and hook the surface skimmer over the wall of the pool, right near its suction inlet. Right after it attaches to the filter pump, it will start cleaning away. Product benefits. Side walls and the wall band are built of Tritech material to resist wear and stand up to all weather conditions. The skimmer is made of corrosion-proof plastic material, so it can handle even the toughest pool chemicals. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.